Meet Bob and Dave. They are both getting their kitchens remodeled. Dave decided to go with a big fancy retail store to design new cabinets. He wanted the slow-close drawers and doors, solid wood, and a full overlay. But the add-ons were so expensive, Dave had to install the new cabinets himself. Bob went to Northeast Factory Direct. He brought in his kitchen's measurements and worked with the designers to create a new kitchen. Bob chose all the same add-ons as Dave, and with English dovetail design. Unlike Dave, Bob didn't have to pay any extra for all the add-ons. A few weeks later, workers came to his house to install them, so while Dave is figuring out how to fit them through the door, Bob gets to sit back and have Northeast Factory Direct do all the work for him. Don't be like Dave, be like Bob. Bob is smart. Stay away from retail prices. Shop at Northeast Factory Direct. And if you mention seeing this video on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter, you will receive $25 towards your purchase.